How are you, my friends? This is review questions number 1 on laws of logarithms, exponential and logarithmic equations, circular arcs, and circular motion. Question number 1, given log base 1/3 of 5 is equal to b, let's find log base 25 of square root of 3 in terms of b. So in these questions, we start with the required, and we change the base from 25 to base 1/3 because in the given, we can use the base 1/3. So we start log base 25 of square root of 3 is equal to log base 1/3 of square root of 3 divided by log base 1/3 of 25. Now in the numerator, square root of 3 will be 3 to the power half, or we can write it 1/3 to the power minus half. And the whole expression in the numerator becomes minus half because log base 1/3 of 1/3 is 1. So that will be minus 1/2. Here we have 25 is 5 squared. Bring the 2 down on the line. 2 times log base 1/3 of 5, which is exactly b. So we have minus half divided by 2b. Multiply up and down by 2, we get minus 1/4b is the answer. Question number 2, if E is the smallest positive angle coterminal with minus 28 pi over 5 radians, and F is the supplementary angle of 13 pi over 18 radians, find E plus F in degrees. So first, since this angle E is in negative, we must add multiples of 2 pi. So we add 6 pi. Let's find the LCD. Minus 28 pi plus 30 pi over 5. This becomes here positive, the smallest positive. 2 pi over 5 radians. We multiply by 180 over pi. Cancel the pi, divide by 5 here. We get 72 degrees is angle E. Now, F, in the question, it says supplementary. So it's pi minus the angle, because in the supplementary, the sum of the two angles is 180. So pi minus 13 pi over 18, the LCD is 18. 18 pi minus 13 pi is 5 pi over 18. Multiply by 180 over pi to get the degrees. Cancel the pi, cancel the 18, it will be 50 degrees. Now, E plus F is 72 plus 50. 122 degrees. Question number 3, find the product of all the solutions of this equation, logarithmic equation. Log base 2 of 2 minus x is equal 1 plus log base half of 4 minus x. There are many ways you can do this. First of all, we have to change the base of half into 2. So we can do that here. So this is log base 2 of 2 minus x is equal 1 plus. Change the base to 2. So it will be log base 2 of 4 minus x, log base 2 of half. This half we can write as 2 to the power minus 1. So it becomes minus log base 2 of 4 minus x. Now I bring all the logs together here on one side. It will be log base 2 of 2 minus x, log base 2 of 4 minus x is equal to 1. Then I can use the laws of logarithms. So this addition here becomes product in the argument. Log base 2 of the product of these two is equal to 1. Then I will use the LE rule. LE rule says this all x, 2 minus x times 4 minus x is equal to the base 2 to the power 1. This one here. If this is 3, you write in the power 3. Just multiply here 8 minus 6x, which is minus 2x minus 4x, plus x squared is equal to 2. Rearrange the equation, x squared minus 6x plus 2. Bring the 2 there, is equal to 0. We cannot factor this equation, so we can use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula says x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant divided by 2a. A is 1, b is minus 6, and c is 6. So the x values 3 plus or minus square root of 3. Now, look, there are two values for x here. We have to check. 3 plus square root of 3 is a positive number, bigger than 3 for sure. So if you place it here in the original equation, it becomes, the argument becomes negative. So this one is rejected. The solution, we have 3 minus square root of 3. So this will be the product. Question number 4 is a little difficult, maybe. Find if the sum of the solutions of this equation is equal to log base a of square root of b. Find a times b. So we have an exponential equation, not easy. 2 plus 7 to the power 2x, all divided by minus 2 plus 7 to the power minus 2x is equal to minus 3. It's a little long also. We have to cross multiply first, then rearrange the equation, then to find the solutions, and then we add the solutions because we need the sum. So there is a little work here we have to do. Let's cross multiply. 2 plus 7 to the power 2x is equal minus 3 times minus 2 is 6, minus 3 times this 7 to the power minus 2x. Now, I leave here 7 to the power 2x. Take this expression on the other side, becomes plus 3 times 7 to the power minus 2x. Take 6 on the other side, becomes minus 6, and there is a 2, so it's minus 4. Now, this negative power, I can make it fraction, 3 over 7 to the power 2x. And minus 4, I leave it. 7 to the power 2x, I leave it. Then I multiply the whole equation by 7 to the power 2x. So this becomes, we add the powers here, 7 to the power 4x minus 4. See, I put this one in the middle here. Minus 4 times 7 to the power 2x plus 3. This would be cancelled, so I put plus 3 is equal to 0. I can factor directly here, 7 to the power 2x minus 1, 7 to the power 2x minus 3. Or, to make it easy, you can say let 7 to the power 2x equals any letter you like, and then this will be, let's say, t squared minus 4t plus 3 is equal to 0. Then you can factor it easily. Now we have 7 to the power 2x is equal to 1, or 7 to the power 2x is equal to 3. Now I can take LE rule using base 7, or I can take the log on both sides here. So this becomes log base 7, 7 to the power 2x is equal to log base 7 of 1, or log base 7, 7 to the power 2x is equal to log base 7 of 3. This becomes 0 here. Log of any base of 1 is equal to 0. And this becomes 2x is equal to log base 7 of 3. We continue in the next slide. So we can get x equals 0 here, or we get x equals log base 7 of square root of 3, because we divide here by 2. So there is an half. Half, I take it up on the argument. 3 becomes square root of 3. Now we add the solution. 0 plus this answer is this answer itself. So this will be log base 7 of square root of 3. So A is 7 in the base. B is the value under the radical 3. The answer will be 21. Question number 5 is easy. Find the length of an arc cut off by a central angle of 40 degrees in a circle of circumference 30 pi centimeters. Now, from the circumference, we know the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r, so we can use that. 2 pi r is equal to 30 pi. Cancel the pi, divide by 2, the radius will be 15 centimeters, because we need to use the radius now. Now, 40 degrees, we cannot use it in the formula for the length of the arc, so we have to convert it to radians. 40 degrees times pi over 180, we cancel the 0, we divide by 2 up and down, we get 2 pi over 9 radians. Now, let's use the formula. S equals r theta. R is 15, theta is 2 pi over 9, divide by 3 here, and multiply 5 and 2 becomes, so the length of the arc is 10 pi over 3 centimeters. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.